everyone, and welcome to Skinny and Fattish Pro Gaming. Yes, I know this is not games, but yes, this is my shooting range, and I do a lot of weird experiments here with shooting. A lot of target practice, as you can see. I know we have not been uploading videos for ages, but our lives just got a bit busy and we couldn't get to making any videos. And I've always wondered, can you play golf with a gun? Well, I myself don't really play golf, but yes, I've always wanted to see if we can do something like that. So let's start the show. Okay, well, that was relatively interesting. I did not expect that. I'm using a metal plate to put behind the golf ball, so I'm afraid that the bullet will just wreck the whole ball. The plate landed there, and the golf ball just a few meters that way. The problem is the plate is not flat, and when it hits the plate, when the bullet hits the plate, it just pushes it in a direction that is not straight. So I'm gonna try and make a plan with that and maybe try again, or just start from where I landed now. So I just found that I don't have any flat plates here, so I'm just going to try and hit it again with the same gun and the same plate and see if it goes any differently. And again, the ball only landed about 3 or 4 meters from the old place that it landed before. So I'm not sure if this is going to work with the small caliber I'm using. I'm using a 22 LR. So yeah, and the problem is my big guns just smash through the metal and completely destroys the golf ball, so that's not working at all. Okay, let me just make a hole and see if I can get the ball in the hole. Oh, that sounds a little bit weird. Okay, so I made a little hole for the ball, and yeah, I'm going to try to put the plate at a little bit of a different angle and hit it again and see if I could get the ball to roll or what's going to happen. I'll try my best. Well, I forgot to place the camera again. I'm using a low velocity round now, so probably it's going to make the ball roll better, I hope. Let's see if we can get it in the hole. Okay, that went a little further than I expected. Okay, so now I can't find my plate, and yeah, the ball just can't get in the hole. I'm going to try and see what happens when I hit the ball directly. Is it going to get in? What's going to happen? Well, believe it or not, playing golf with a gun is much harder than I expected, but let me try again. Okay, I tried to just hit the ball just over the top, so the bullet just touches the ball I mean, and well, the problem is then the ball just goes skirting off in one direction and right over the hole. So I'm going to try to put the bullet just underneath the ball and see what happens. Well, as you can see, with a lot of attempts, I don't think you're going to get the ball in the hole, because it never goes in the same direction. Even when you hit the plate or when you hit the ball, well, underneath of the ball, just as you see, it just hopped. And yeah, that's about it. Let's try something different. Ta-da! Now die, you stupid ball. Where the heck? And that was a tragic end for our golf game. Well, I found my plates again. This is my 22 LR. I think that was all for the show. Thanks for watching. I just wanted to say sorry for my accent. I'm actually Afrikaans. English is sort of my second/third language, and yeah, I know it's a bit rusty, but if you would like to see more videos like this in the future, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.